We are going to see some of the characteristics of p block element. First we are going to see the metallic nature of the p block element. How we are saying metallic nature is that if an element if an element is losing a cation, that is one positive charge, if it's giving some positive charge in order to uh, like to stay cation, to stay cation if an metal element or something, if it is giving its electron to some other metal or some other element in order to stay cation, that is called as metallic nature. That's how you will describe the metallic nature, any element. So this is orbital, electrons revolving around the orbital, and this is how you describe the metallic nature of a element. So this is one property, and second property is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy usually I have mentioned before, so if you forgot to listen to it, I will explain to you again. The ionization enthalpy decreases along the group. For consider, we will consider the 13th group. In 13th group, we add boron, aluminum, etc. etc. So the ionization enthalpy, it decreases. Why it decreases? Because why it decreases? Why there are difference between the uh, ionization enthalpy is that poor shielding effect of electron. The electrons which are at the outer shell or outer shell of for element, they are poorly shielded. Since they are poorly shielded, they can be easily captured by some other elements. That's why how they are easily getting bonded. So due to this effect, this p orbital, this characteristics of p orbital is affected on s orbital. So that's how your ionization enthalpy decreases. So this is the same for 14th group also, and 15 to 18 they form the general trend, like they continuously decreases. There are no such major differences as we get in 13th and 14th group. So the third topic is this is all about ionization enthalpy. Next, electronegativity. Electronegativity, how the characteristics of electronegativity of p block elements is that it also decreases from boron. The electronegativity decreases from boron to electron, and then it increases again for gallium. For gallium, it increases. So there is like something like a rough mountain, decreases, increases, decreases, increases. So there is not much change in this electronegativity. This electronegativity basically decreases from top to bottom in a p block element. So these are basically the characteristics of p block elements, and um, we already discussed the properties of p block elements. I'm going to explain you again. Ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electronegativity, absence of the orbital, small size of first member. So these are the characteristics of p block elements.